A farmer pauses in a quiet field, leaning thoughtfully on his staff as he gazes at a heavy vine studded with 7 golden pentacles. The Seven of Pentacles is Earth at its moment of assessment, patience, evaluation, and the pause between labor and harvest. After the flow of the 6, the energy turns inward, asking, what is growing and is it time to act? The farmer is the central symbol. His posture shows weariness mixed with contemplation. He has worked hard, but now effort gives way to reflection. He embodies perseverance meeting patience, the understanding that manifestation requires both sustained labor and trust in the unseen process of time. He represents the human willingness to cooperate with nature rather than force outcomes prematurely. The vine, heavy with 7 pentacles, forms the second symbol. It is the visible proof of diligence, the tangible result of seeds planted long before. The coins hang like fruit, valuable but not yet ready for harvest. 7 is the number of assessment and spiritual testing, reminding us that timing matters as much as action. The card teaches that premature picking can ruin potential, while overweighting invites decay. Discernment is the true work now. The third symbol is the staff on which he rests. It is both physical support and a marker of the journey, linking intention to effort, effort to outcome. Like a rooted wand, it signifies trust in natural rhythms. Leaning on it suggests that wisdom sometimes means pausing, letting nature finish its part. At the farmer's feet lies a small patch of bare soil, the fourth symbol. This subtle detail reveals incompletion, something still untended or awaiting attention. It signifies humility, acknowledging flaws, gaps, or lessons still in progress. Even in abundance, the 7 reminds us that growth is cyclical, not final. The fifth symbol is the muted landscape and grey sky. The atmosphere is neither stormy nor radiant, but neutral, an in-between season that offers space for evaluation. Nothing rushes, nothing threatens. This quiet tone teaches equilibrium between impatience and complacency, creating the perfect environment for contemplation. Together, these symbols reveal a moment of necessary pause. The farmer has done his part. Now he must decide whether to continue nurturing, adjust his approach, or prepare for eventual harvest. Growth unseen is still happening beneath the surface. In readings, the 7 of Pentacles appears when progress seems slow or uncertain. It advises reflection, reassessment of strategy, and trust in long-term processes. The card cautions against abandoning efforts too soon, urging patience with both the outer work and the inner maturation that accompanies it.